I'm here with Caitlin Bailey of Sharp Cleaning Services.
Hey.
Hey, Caitlin, thank you for sitting down with me today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So tell me a little bit about your business.
Okay, so I am the marketing director for Sharp Cleaning Services. We are a commercial and residential cleaning company here in the state of Arkansas. We're housed in Sherwood, and we service all throughout the state.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
And so how did you get into this business?
This is a family business. So my sister-in-law started it in 2010, so 9 years ago. And at that time, she strictly did residential and apartment cleanouts. And over the years, realized that there was business to be done in the commercial world. And so for the last 8 years, we've heavily concentrated on commercial, where that's the bulk of what we do. And we've recently opened our doors back up to residential, and we're getting back into doing apartment cleanouts and real estate cleanouts and things like that. But I think being a part of the family just fell right into fitting here and finding a place I could, help out.
That's right. That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And so are there any jobs that are too big or too small?
We really have we have something we love to do as far as commercial work goes, but we do everything from a 500 square foot apartment to 120,000 square feet of commercial building each night. So nothing that we feel like we couldn't handle, but we do have our preferences on what we love to staff and what works well for us.
And so you do weekly or bi-weekly or monthly services, but then do you also do one-time cleanings? Like if somebody was going to have a wedding or an event at their house?
We do, yeah. So we're set up to where we can bring a team in and really handle anything. Some businesses would like for us to come in each night, maybe just 2 or 3 nights a week. And then we do have people that will call us about a specific event or office party they're going to do, and we might just send someone in for one evening to do a deep clean after that, or whatever the case may be.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I know that customer service is really important to you.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about what sets you apart from your competitors.
Yeah, in the world of janitorial, everybody can do this. Everybody can pick up a toilet brush and, clean a toilet. And so you really have to find what your niche is and what it is that you can have say about you that does set you apart. And so we like to talk about the detail that we take in our cleaning that makes us just a little bit different from other companies. We try to ensure that when we teach our teams and train our teams, we have them look for things that not everybody looks for. And so they can do those additional things like dust the top of a fire extinguisher that nobody thinks to do, or whatever the case may be. But aside from those types of things related to cleaning, we really try to take a servant leadership mindset with our teams. And so we don't do anything, we don't ask them to do anything we're not willing to do with them. So myself as marketing director and my sister-in-law as finance and even our owner, we step in and do the residential house cleans with our teams. We do have buildings where we have a day porter set up, which means they go in from like 8 to 4:30 and they're there doing cleaning all throughout the day. And we've all been known to step in those roles whenever we need a substitute. So we try to make sure that we don't ever do anything or ask them to do anything that we're not willing to do.
So it's a true team environment, which is nice.
We really do try to make it like that.
Yeah. That's wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
And then just for fun, this is not business related. This is just a fun get to know Caitlin a little bit better. So pick a question from the pedal bag.
Okay. What do you do to unwind after a hectic day? Okay,
That's a good one, because you have a lot of hectic days, don't you?
That is true. I would say prior to becoming pregnant, my favorite would have been just a glass of wine and try to enjoy the evening. So it's a new phase, trying to learn something different to do, since that's not exactly allowed
a nice cup
anymore.
Of tea, maybe.
Yeah, nice cup of tea. Really, what my favorite thing is to watch TV. I really am a binge watcher of Netflix episodes, and I don't do well with movies.
Right.
I don't know what it is. I don't think I can hang in there long enough for a movie, but like a TV series where the climax of the TV series comes quickly, I can handle those. So I could watch 3 hours of TV, but I can't sit through an hour and a half movie. So I don't know.
So now you know, when you meet Caitlin, suggest Netflix TV
Yes,
series.
I would love it. I would love it.
Well, thank you, Caitlin, for talking to us about your business. It's a great business.
Thank you.
And I will have all of Caitlin's contact information and their website and contacts at the bottom of this. So if you need their services, feel free to reach out to them.
That sounds great.
Have a great day, everyone.
Thanks, Barb.